All right, so here we're doing an activity on percent change. And so here we're looking at a Google form, and the first thing you're going to do is type in your name. So I would be typing in Mr. Nelson. I click next. And now what you're going to do here is compare the percent change between these two items. And so we look here, it says 1977. This is the cost of these two items in 1977. The loaf of bread cost 25 cents, and the 1 dozen eggs cost 59 cents. And then it says the cost for each item today. A loaf of bread has gone from 25 cents to $2.49 today. The eggs have gone from 59 cents for a dozen to $1.99 today. All right, so between the years of 1977 to today, obviously there's been a percent change, an increase in price, and you're going to calculate what that increase is to see which item has the greater percent change. So remember, we calculate percent change by taking our difference or our change dividing it by our original cost, and then multiplying it by 100, or moving that decimal place over 2 spots. So here, if I'm looking at the first example I want to do, we'll go ahead and start with the loaf of bread. So I'm going to be doing the change between $2.49 and 25 cents. Now, how do I write 25 cents as a decimal? Like I have 2.49 for my $2.49. My 25 cents, well, that's going to be 0.25 there. And so when I do $2.49 minus 25, that's going to give me 24 cents. And then I have my $2 in front, so $2.24 over the top of my original, which was 25 cents back in 1977. And so I'm going to do $2.24 here on my calculator divided by 0.25. And that gives me 8.96 multiplied by 100 gives me 896. So 896% is my percent increase from my loaf of bread, which makes sense because the cost of 25 cents has doubled and then doubled again and doubled again. So it has gone up so much since 1977. In fact, it has gone up almost 900%. All right, now I'm going to do the same thing for my dozen of eggs. So here I'm going to do my change, my $1.99 minus my 59 cents, the difference in price. So that's going to give me $1.40 for my change up top here. And then I'm going to do my original cost, which would be 59 cents. And so when I do $1.40 divided by 59 cents, it gives me 2.37. I need to multiply it by 100, and that gives me 237% increase in price from a dozen eggs cost of 1977 to today's cost of $1.99. All right, so now I need to put my percent change for each of the items and then put which one has a greater percent change. Well, the loaf of bread, that was 896% increase from 1977 to now. Dozen eggs, that went up 237%. So which item between the two of these had a greater percent change? Well, it's going to be the one with a higher number, right? Because they're both positive. And so which had a greater percent change? My loaf of bread. The price had gone up so much since 1977. And then I click next, and then I do these set of problems here comparing a gallon of milk and a hot dog. So enjoy this activity, have some fun with it. Some of these dates, like 1977, that might be when your parents were born roughly, and so you can kind of see what the cost was like for them when they'd like go to the gas station or like go to the store and see like a gallon of milk, and then you get to see what the cost is compared to today. So you can be like, oh my gosh, like you can talk to family members and be like, when you were younger, it was 84 cents only, and now it's $5 today. Like, that's crazy. 5 cents for an ice cream cone, whatever it may be. So again, you're going to calculate the percent change for each of the items and then put which one has a greater percent change. All right, and we do that as the change or the difference in price, which we can calculate by doing the new price minus the old price. So we could do $4 minus 85 cents. And then we always got to put it over the top of our original. So that's just going to be what it originally was. So divided by the original. And then you just got to move that decimal place over 2 spots or multiply it by 100. All right. Let me know if you have any questions. There are a total of 17 task cards. Please let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.